What's up, guys? Here with my boy Jayden. We're about to get some vids of his car, Speed 3. You want to tell him what's done? Yeah, pop your hood, pop your hood. There we go. You're gonna put the thing up. All right, Jayden, you want to explain what's done to this beast?
Basic bolt-ons.
Basic bolt-ons. So high pressure fuel pump. We got Turbo Smart.
Got the Cobb turbo inlet with just the AEM short ram.
Nice. Used to have a front mount, but it didn't. It crashed. It's all on your Instagram, right? Yep. People can find out on your Instagram.
Yep, on my car page.
Nice. And then what wheels?
The Cosmos 206.
Cosmos 206. Yep. And what size are they?
They're the 18 by 9.5.
18 by 9.5.
With the 215, 35.
215. So a tiny bit of stretch, but not insane. Just the right amount. Honestly, fitment's like perfect how it is. And then the headlights you did yourself.
Yep.
Yeah, those headlights are mean. All right, anything else that we're missing that's done to it? Oh, the rear spoiler. Yeah, we definitely gotta get the interior. Ooh.
Gotta just wrap the carbon fiber.
Shit.
Got the boost gauges.
That actually turned out so clean. Damn. And then let's see, is it all right if I sit in it?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Ooh, those gauges are sick. Damn. So boost, air to fuel.
You gotta show them the Crown Royal back.
Oh, for real, dude. Let me get some light. Show them the real interior. Dude, you did that yourself too?
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, that's sick. And then
Just got 210 Memphis audios.
ooh, yeah. What's the wing extension?
I think it's off a 2012 GTI.
Nice.
Just look up.
Yeah, and did you make that work or it came like that?
I made it work.
Dude, yeah, that's sick. So if you guys want to find out, go to his Instagram, message the shit out of him, figure out how he did it. He'll tell you, but dude, yeah, that's sick. I know people are gonna want to see that wing extension because they love that.
Yeah.
Let me get, yeah. This might be the thumbnail right here. I like it. Can I get a tiny rev?
Yeah, sure. You want me to do a muscle control?
Sure, dude. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No way, it sounded good.
Oh, look at all that.
It shot some good stuff.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, now we're gonna go for a quick ride.
Tuned by Free.
Quick ride, yeah?
Let's go for a ride.
What's your Instagram though first?
It's Jayden 15 Speed 3.
Okay. It'll also be in the description so you guys can find it, but just wanted to get that. Sick with that. I love that. Oh, that's a good touch. And the boost gauge and everything. Downshifts aren't bad either.
You can do first two.
First is hard. Dang, that was nice. Yes. Dude, thank you again. That's gonna be sick. Yo, your car look good. What's your Instagram? so people can follow
Jayden
you.
J17.
Jayden J17. What wheels are these?
Not
STR something? Someone will know in the comments. Comment it down below. But yeah, dude. You look good. It's gonna be nice. Having a roller. Jayden's car. We're gonna hop in the red Speed. Let's go. Let me get an engine bay real quick. Okay, what's under this one?
just everything. That's pretty much it.
But we're gonna get a video soon of this one.
Yeah.
A review or walk around. And the wheels are clean. All right, let's go. That's Corey. We're about to get a shot of his car over there too, that's fully built. Well, dude, thanks for the ride along.
Hell yeah.
Everyone better go follow you on Instagram. Leave a like, comment, see what you guys think. It's slammed though, absolutely slammed. Okay, let me get a quick walk around. This is Corey's two-step launch control, fully built Mazdaspeed 3. So we're doing the two-step right now.
We're gonna see if it works.
See if it works. Be sure to stay tuned for tomorrow where we go over all of his mods and everything that's done to the car. We're gonna go hoon this bad boy, see what it can do. 20 PSI right now, 20 PSI built block, big turbo, everything guys. So be sure, subscribe, stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we check this beast out.